Everyone, welcome back to the Self-Employed Investor Journey. My name is Jose Martinez, and this time I'm gonna give you a different video because this channel is called Self-Employed Investor. So we're gonna talk about investing this time, and I'm gonna bring to your attention 5 stocks that I'm gonna be buying for next year. And before we start, just remember this is not financial advice. Don't invest more of the money that you are willing to lose, and always do your own research before investing anything. And if you like these kind of videos, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Hopefully we can get to 1,000 subscribers before the year ends. And if you want to start investing, you can open an account on Webull, and they will give you 5 free stocks value up to $1,800 each. No guarantees, but that's up to for each stock when you open an account on Webull. And I will leave my referral link on the description. Once you open your account, deposit $100. And on Robinhood, you will get 1 free stock. You don't need to deposit anything, but if you open an account, you will receive a free stock. But on Webull, you will get 5 free stocks. I personally like more Robinhood. It's more user-friendly. But you can go Webull and open your account, get your 5 stocks, and then transfer to Robinhood. Maybe. Not sponsored. So let's start. Quick context on these stocks that I'm going to give you. I've seen that on 2021 in general, data has shown that people has been spending a lot because we were in lockdown on 2020. And then 2021, we wanted to go out and started spending on stuff and then buying things from Amazon and from iPhones, from Apple and all these kind of things. So all of these retail companies saw very good earnings during this year, revenue. And in order to keep those revenues up and to kind of incentivize customers to keep spending, because most people will not have the same amount of money that people had in 2021. So all these companies most likely will be advertising to get their products to customers, to us. And this is the quick context, because the companies that I'm about to share have a lot to do with advertising, and they bring a lot of revenue from advertising. Excuse me. So the first one is going to be Google. Alphabet. GOOG, that's a ticker symbol. We all know all the ads, or like here on YouTube, all the ads you see, it all belongs to Google. So Google makes most of their money from advertising, and it's expected to grow at 25% for next year. So that's a very good buy. And even if you see it's almost like a $3,000 a share, don't be scared. You can start investing the amount of money that you can afford. You can do $5, $10 every week, or all these small amounts, just so that you can start building your positions and your portfolio. So Google is the first one that I'm going to be buying, that I'm already buying, but I'm going to keep buying for 2022. The next one is going to be Facebook. And now it's not called Facebook, now it's called Metaverse or Meta Platform, something like that. It's going to be that. FB, ticker symbol. That one is expected to grow 27%. And that has a double play. We all know that Facebook owns WhatsApp and Instagram. So there's a lot of ads on these platforms. So Facebook or Meta Platforms is going to be having a lot of benefits with companies advertising, trying to sell their products. So that's another stock that I'll be buying for 2022. And the next one is going to be Snapchat. I put this one here also because it's expected to have very nice growth of 35%. Again, there's no guarantees. All these are estimated and expectations. So it's not a guaranteed return. But also Snapchat, we'll see, and it's a very beat up stock. Right now is very low levels compared to the all-time highs. So And when you look at a stock, this is not the only thing that you see, like the price and how much it has fallen from all-time highs or stuff like that. There's a lot of things that you have to do, but I'm after checking and researching and listening to more people, these are the five stocks that are going to be my favorite. And at the end, I'm going to share one more that is kind of more speculation. I don't know how do you pronounce that, but yeah. Anyway, so Snapchat is going to be on my basket of stocks. The next one also is going to be Trade Desk. This is also an advertising company that works with different platforms, expected also to have a 25% grow on 2022. And the last one is going to be Roku. We all know these televisions or service on Roku that might be also having a lot of benefits from companies advertising on their platforms. So Roku is also expected to have a growth of 28% for 2022. So yeah, these are among others. Like I said, these are not the only stocks that I own already. I own some of these stocks, just in transparency. I own Google, I own Facebook, and I know those are the only two. The other three I'm gonna start buying on 2022. And just to give you a breakdown of my portfolio in percentage wise, I'm 40% on index funds, 40% on individual stocks, and 20% crypto that I am diversified in BTC, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and ADA. So this is my portfolio: 40% index funds, 40% stocks, crypto, three different cryptos, but I'm gonna be adding different more coins. So in total, I probably have, or I will have by 2022, around 20 different positions between index funds, individual stocks, and cryptocurrencies or coins. And the last one and the bonus is a company called Hut 8 Mining, ticker symbol HUT. Hut. This is a Bitcoin mining company that moves along with crypto. This is one of the positions that I want to be one of my largest positions on individual stocks, because it's gonna kind of balance or add a little bit more weight to my crypto slice of my portfolio, because I only have 20% of crypto. But if I add Hut 8 Mining, which is most valued because of the amount of Bitcoin that they have or they hold, so that's gonna kind of add a little bit more weight relative to my crypto portion of my portfolio. So that's also a very good company. That's also the company that I did options trading in the last week, I believe. Yeah, it was last week that I basically doubled my money on options. Options are very, very risky. I do not recommend. I did my own research and I did double my money, but it could have gone just the other way and I could have lost everything. So I really don't recommend doing options if you are starting. But these are, I believe, pretty good companies, safe companies that you can invest if you want. Again, this is not financial advice. I'm just sharing my ideas and what I'm going to be buying for 2022. And if you decide to invest, never invest more than the money that you are willing to lose in case things go bad. So, yeah. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if you would like more videos like this. Give this video a thumbs up, share with everyone, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. I'll reply them all. If you have questions, I'll try to do my best to answer them all, and can't wait to see you in the next video.